Excuse me guys, may I have your attention please?
Yeah, of course.
This is Dibya Yadav. With your kind permission, may I initiate the GD?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you guys for allowing me to initiate the GD. As you know that the topic which has given us to discuss for discussion is which family is better, joint family or nuclear family. I believe that it was an hot, controversial and sensitive topic. So if I frankly said that, I think joint family is much better than nuclear family. Why I'm saying like this, let me tell. You know that in a joint family there is lots of member and we have a unity, and nobody is going to quarrel with us, our neighborhood, and any person frightening with us. If I will quarrel with us, then all the members of this family beat us. On the contrary, if we talk about in a single family, then in a single family, all the villages and neighborhood see them and fight with any times without any problems. And you also see in this times Taliban. In Taliban, peoples have unity and they attacked in Afghanistan. But in Afghan peoples haven't unity, because in this times they have separates here and there just because of Taliban unity. That's why I'm saying that joint family is important, not single family. And you also know that in a joint family, kids are well mannered because they are trained with their grandparents, their uncles, their aunties, and many peoples. And in a joint families, if in a single family was only is our father and mother, and our mother is always busy in home working, and our father is always busy to do their offices work and to earn the money, and they can't get proper care for their child. And on the contrary, if you talk about in a single family, they have in a joint family they have lots of members, and all the members are care their child. They see how to how they read their child, and how they perform in their life. So keeping all these points in my view, I can say that joint family is much better than nuclear family. Now guys, I invite all of you to participate in this GD and make this GD more and more successful.
Thank you, Miss, for inviting us in GD. But Miss, whatever you mentioned in your contention, you said that joint family is better than nuclear family. But you know, Miss, in a nuclear family there was maximum 5 or 6 members, and there was no quarrels and criticism, and there was not need of unity. And you know, Miss, in a nuclear family the parents was give the great attention to their children.
If we talk about in a nuclear family, parents give more attention to their children, then how it is possible? Because our mother busy in home work and father goes anywhere to do service.
You know, Miss, in a single family there was the woman get great liberty to go anywhere and busy and visiting here.
Excuse me, Miss, whatever you mentioned in your argument, I totally disagree. You said that in nuclear family the women get total liability to do any work and do anything. But in nowadays, in joint family, people also allow the women to do the job and work. You know, in the pandemic time, this in the COVID-19, the nuclear family are totally got dissolved in that problem, and they got very much problem for because of that COVID-19, and they come in the villages in their joint family, because the joint family, uncles, aunt and grandpa were helping him financially, support him and emotionally. And in nuclear family, if suppose a mother and father both are working, then it is very difficult to raise this child or train him. Or in this time, the children got touch with the bad habits, and they got in bad habits, and they do the works like criminals. And if the parents are nuclear, then suppose after that when his child will come in younger time and he will marry, then he also leave his parents. When he earning started money, then he will also live in his parents.
Well, so whatever you said that I finally disagree with you. Why I'm saying like that? As you know that, let me tell you one thing. As you know that when the India get freedom, then those Muslim people said that I want to live alone, because you know that the many problems created our people. Then he live alone. That's my perspective. I want to say that nuclear family is better than.
No, that's the matter of religion. You know, in nowadays the Hindus and Muslims live separately, but they live in one village. In one village, they both Muslim and Sikh, all over the religions live in one.
Debating from the topic, okay.
And it is the Indian family, if the suppose anybody will
Okay.
become ill
Carry on,
and
carry on.
any children
Salman.
got go anywhere, and suppose he is not coming up to time, and then the parents and everybody started searching him, and easily they can find, because they have the support of their parents, uncle, and
May I
etc.
join you, Mister?
Yeah.
Whatever you mentioned on your contents, you said that joint family is better, and our grandfather and grandmother and the others, our uncle. Our uncle searched us finally. But you know, Mister, in a nuclear family, there was not in like that. There the children not go anywhere, and the parents give a great attention to them. And you know, Mister, in a nuclear family, there was not any much problem. Create, and you know, Mister, in this time most of people want to live alone. Why did you tell me, Mister? First of all, you tell me why most of people live in nuclear family and want to live alone if joint family is better.
That you have said that the nuclear family is better, but you said that seen that in nowadays after the pandemic you have seen that in the villages many individual are coming, and they are the relation, and they are living in joint family because they got failed in to live with nuclear, because if they don't know how to save our children and how to protect from that culture. In cities, the many of people are living nuclearly,
Listen,
but
Mr.
in the villages area, if you come, then you will see how much crowd is there. You know, the peoples and the families are celebrating the festivals, etc. With together, and the crowd of the children that make the parents and everybody happy.
Listen,
And
Mister.
forget their
You know,
problems.
Mister, in a nuclear family there was not much work to do, but in a joint family there was much work. That work was not distributed.
Well, miss, if we talk about in a nuclear family, it means there was not much work to do. But you know that every family have a work to do. Means also means such as mop up, sweep up to make the foods, and every family has this work. But if we talk about in a joint family has lots of members, and they do each and every work one by one, and they have, nobody is lots of burden to do the work. And on the contrary, in a single family, only our parents have do burden of all the work to do.
Well,
And if we talk
listen
about
me, whatever you mentioned, in a joint family the work was distributed. You know, Miss, I firmly disagree with you. In joint family the works were not distributed. And you know, Miss, in a joint family when anybody, the child go to sit for study, there was much noise. Then the children of joint family not able to read.
well, miss, if we talk about education,
listen me, miss.
child go to study.
Listen me, miss.
Divya, let's finish it out.
Listen
Let's
me,
finish
miss.
it out. Okay, guys,
But-
you have to summarize it, Divya. Okay, let's summarize it.
Well guys, a very good thing come to the end, and the same thing about this GD also. Yes, we have to summarize this GD. So with your kind permission, may I summarize it?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you guys for allowing me to summarize this GD. As you know that the topic is which is better family, joint family or nuclear family. We got lots of data from it, such as I believe that this topic was most sensitive and relevant topic. We get lots of knowledge from it, such as some of our friends like Miss Achal said that nuclear family is better than joint family, because in a nuclear family people haven't burden to do anything, and also means their child get their study properly. On the other hand, Mr. Aman said that means a joint family is better, because in joint family people have care their childs, and in a single family, if we talk about in single family, then in single families people haven't care their children, and they become criminals and do any bad works. So guys, welcome friends, thanks a lot for your immense contribution and showing your great energy in this GD. Thank you, take care, bye.